hello there. Today, we're cleaning Beauty up a little bit with an oil change. And, yeah, she's definitely overdue. The dinosaur oils in there are not very happy. They're very dark. And, let me scooch the Dashi over here. They're a little dark. It's kind of like the paint job. Hey, would you quit moving my oil, please? I don't want it splashing. So yeah, we're gonna do an oil change today. Babe, I'm having a problem putting in the hole.
No comment.
No comment, huh?
Nope.
I must be rusty then. So, we're going to change the oil. Hopefully I got the right oil filter. I couldn't get my fat butt underneath there while it's sitting on the ground at the O'Reilly's because she's a lowrider compared to everything else we got. So we got to get the ramps out so I can get my fat tummy underneath. So we're going to do hopefully the good job of an oil change. We'll see how it goes from there. Might be some yelling because it's at operating temperature right now. I should have let it cool down, but it's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. I just might end up spotted like that one. So, yeah. Hopefully my ears don't go like that, but we'll get there. A Mustang. Ha. Yeah.
What you doing, Mr. Mechanic?
What's that?
What you doing, Mr. Mechanic?
Well, I'm gonna lay underneath and figure out if I have the right oil filter or not.
Oh, bother. This is not encouraging.
That's the first step. If I don't have the right oil filter, there's no point in doing this.
Sir, is it the right filter or not?
I don't know.
You take forever. Mustang is unimpressed. Spitfire is Spitfire. The Spazoid. You know, if you weren't completely tangled around the trash can and the wood blocks, you'd have a whole lot more room. Spazoid. Child. You did this to yourself, and now you're stuck on the tools.
Hey, babe.
What?
Guess what?
What's the wrong filter?
Yep.
I guess we're going to the store.
Hey, babe.
What?
Give me your phone. I wonder why it doesn't fit properly.
What doesn't fit properly? Why not?
Because it's not a 62 bumper. It's a 63 to 66.
Yeah.
That's why it rubs against the paint.
What are you going to do about it?
Nothing I can do about it right now because...
Spitfire, we're filming here. Go away.
Hey, we're trying to be professional here. You are not helping us be professional, young lady. You stick your nose... Oh, you got to get some too? Oh, okay. Yeah, Attack of the Puppies as they wrap everybody up. Spitfire, you wrapped Mustang and me. Like... I know, Mustang. I know. I know. Just tell me about it.
I really hate to do what?
I'm gonna have to take this oil filter out so we can go down to the store and get it matched. But the headers are right there.
Which means you're gonna get oil all over the headers.
Yeah.
Which means it's gonna get real smoky when we start this.
Not necessarily.
No, it's just gonna light on fire.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't like these options.
It's fine.
I don't think so.
It's fine. this one along? Sure.
Sir,
Madam?
there must be a better option here.
Sure.
Should you drain it before you pull that?
No.
It's not gonna leak out from there?
Oh, it's gonna leak regardless.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I approve of this plan.
I don't approve of most of my plans.
That's true. Girls. Girls. Go away. Do that again.
Here, is this better? Is that better for you? Followed by... Is that what you like to hear? And a boom boom and a zoom zoom. Just shake your back. Hey guys, we're back at it again. I got the wrong filter last time. It was 3 inches too big. So I got the right filter this time. We're actually going to change oil today. It's currently 8 o'clock and it's 28 degrees. So that's why I'm bundled a little bit today. So yeah, let's get to it.
I see you.
Do you?
Can't see what you're doing, but I see you.
Okay.
No?
No, it's fine.
Pretty sure what you're doing is directly underneath what I can see.
Side, the other side of the tire, and look back towards me.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Air breather. Something tells me it's going to take more than 5 quarts.
Why?
Just because of how it's draining. Shit. Babe, can you hand me a towel? It's over there on top of the shelf.
What?
So there goes that cardboard and there goes my garage.
It's a driveway, not a garage, but why?
Because it LE code.
Why did it illegal?
Because I was looking at you and I misjudged where it's at, so it leaked all over the floor. You're not supposed to be doing that, lover.
What am I looking at, love?
Ow.
Your puddle of growingness.
Black gooiness, yeah.
Darling,
Yes,
you weren't supposed to get it on the driveway.
it's fine.
Not really. Move your elbow, it's in the way.
Yeah.
You're supposed to keep the oil in the oil thing?
Babe, I can't really see where it's going to go because I thought it was going to hit the header, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Drip, 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 drip. Now there's oil all over the bottom of your thing.
It's fine. Are we having fun?
Yeah.
You are?
My butt's cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did it! Yay!
Yeah.
I got no oil in the exhaust.
I'm proud of you.
Me too. Because I was really afraid I was going to get engine oil in the exhaust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fine. It'd just be a little smoky.
Yeah, I don't like a little smoky there, babe.
Why?
Because only you can do it forest fires.
It's okay.
Yeah. Hey, let go. Let go.
Look, it's even blue.
Blue. And it's AC Doko! Okay, good. The old cap's off.
What?
These don't think, and I don't think quite often, but these don't think this is the right one.
Again?
Again. Can you go do me a favor?
What?
Can you crawl out?
And?
Move. Please.
It's stinky.
Hand me that, yeah.
It's stinky. I don't like it. I definitely don't like that.
Why? Dinosaur oil lubricates the body, right?
No.
It's lubricants?
No.
You tell me dinosaur oil doesn't lubricate the body like it does a motor.
No.
Since when?
Ever.
Why do you think I use brake clean instead of soap? Lubrication.
Duh. Sir, come to this where I can see you.
It is a hair smaller. See how it's not all the way directly around it? But if you look at that number, see how it says PF454?
Yeah.
And if you look at that number upside down, see how it says PF454?
So it should fit.
So it should fit. I just wanted to double check because first time in...
A long time.
I'm not going to say the years because then that would just be neglect.
Well, it also
And-
hasn't been driven, so.
This is true, but still. I don't want to be that guy that throw other people under the bus.
Sir, in the 3 years I've known you, I've never seen this thing move. Until it came here.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it had a transmission leak.
No, actually.
It had 2 loose bolts that were leaking transmission oil.
2 bolts? Try the whole pan was loose.
Oh. It's fine. It's fixed now. Wait, I can't see what you're doing. Come back here. I'm gonna lay on the baby again.
You know what? Hold on. Wait. Move.
No.
Yeah.
You're so much work.
That's my job. Here, you can hold that.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Just don't spill it.
Thanks.
Because there's nothing in there yet.
And just put that over there. Thank you. What are we doing?
Opening it
Why?
so I can do this.
Why? You gonna make a face?
No.
Everybody makes a face.
I know.
You're
I was
lame.
going to, but I need precision right now more than America.
You did that on purpose.
I would never.
Why?
Why?
Why? Why
So
for
it
you
doesn't
do that?
starve the engine. And yes, I know you freaking keyboard warriors are gonna be like, "Oh, you're not supposed to do that." No, it's an old truck. I don't care.
Just like that, huh?
No, the reason why I say I don't care is because also they don't do this and they don't lubricate it. You know why they don't lubricate it?
No.
Because then they're the dickheads that go in there and just ugga-dugga it, or they go in there with the wrench and just snug it, so that way you have to literally use a screwdriver to get through it the next time
Yeah.
to take it off.
Yeah.
Or the jackasses will use blue Loctite like a bunch of a-holes. I've seen that happen too. You don't need to do that. You just hand twist it on.
Tell me how you really feel.
I did. I think that's why I quit being a mechanic now.
All because of oil changes.
All because of no, it wasn't just oil changes. The idiots were doing it to like hydraulic fluid, hydraulic filters, transmission filters, anything and everything they can get their grubby little hands on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, do you notice, by the way?
What?
How am I doing this?
With your hands?
I'm doing it hand tight. Hand tight. That's all it needs to be, is hand tight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe,
Dear.
the driveway's a little dirty.
Driveway's a lot of dirty. Where's my... There it is. Okay, clean side. Cool. Okay. Make sure when you're tightening stuff, you always want to give it that satisfaction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
So that way you know to yourself that you're satisfied and it's good and tight.
Okay.
No?
Sure.
Okay. Now for the disgusting part.
What?
What?
Don't
I'll
you-
show you what.
Don't you need to put the pluggy thing back in?
It's already in.
Oh. What's the disgusting part then?
If you get up real quick, I'll show you.
Oh, okay, fine. What you doing now, lover? What is that?
This?
Yeah.
Engine oil air breather. Just like that one is over there.
Why does that one have a tube on it?
Because this goes to the carburetor to help with the timing. Because it's a vacuum. Hey babe, come on. Why are you going to be in my way? I need a fill from there.
Why?
Because it's the fill hole.
Why?
Because it is.
So why did you want to fill it from the other side and not this side?
Because I didn't want to mess with that tube.
But now you don't care?
Nah, this is easier.
Okay.
Because that one didn't want to come off.
Okay.
Let's see how good I am with being crowded.
Listen, I can't go on the other side. All I see is sun. Hey, look, you found the hole. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug.
Mm-hmm.
Make you wanna holler, hidey-ho. Hidey-ho. Burns a fella, don't you know? Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. You have no idea what that song is.
Nope. a little nippy out today.
The sun finally came up. It's getting warmer.
The sun will come out tomorrow, even though it's cold forever. But tomorrow,
There'll be sun?
no, it's in your belly.
No comment. I thought he was an alien creature.
No, that's what you call him. I call him son.
And tell him to get a job.
Yeah. Times are tough right now.
All of y'all are alien subspecies and forced to exist with.
How is that so?
Your boys. It's not empty yet.
No, but it's a good idea to check oral.
Yeah,
You gotta check oral.
where's the dipstick?
Dipstick. Dipsticks are over here, babe. Just a hair more. Just that much more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing, because you only got about that much more.
You wanna know something crazy?
What?
Google was right for once.
It only takes 5 quarts?
Yeah. Because I'm at half a quart. So technically it takes 4.5.
Yeah.
Because I only need that little much right there. That's it. At least that's it should be. You sure you don't want to get up at 4 a.m. in the morning and go to work with this?
No.
Why?
Let's be honest. You don't go to work at 4 o'clock in the morning either. You go to the shop, and then you sit around and have meetings for 2 hours.
No, we don't. We have a meeting for about 30 minutes, and then we go out and look at all the trucks. And then after trucks inspection is done, then we go where we were assigned earlier in the meeting. So now what? Goofy lady. Trying to think she's all professional.
Yep. Totally.
Oh no, I'm spit shining it. Oh no.
With its own spit?
Yeah. Guess there's only one thing to do.
What?
Start it back up and listen to the engine purr.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's terrible.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of surprised none of the neighbors came out and yelled at me yet.
Mm-hmm.
It was 8 o'clock.
On a Saturday morning.
Yeah, on a Saturday morning.
And she's noisy in the cold.
She didn't really want to start this morning.
It's cold!
It's only, well, now it's only 33, but it's fine.
Sir, it's so cold that we brought the dogs outside and they were shivering!
It's fine.
Shut up. Stop laughing at me.
Babe, you're adorable.
Shut up.
You go like this, and you go, it's in the hole.
Wait, it just pulls out?
Yeah, look.
And the other one didn't want to pull out?
No. Never mind, I'm not going down that hole.
Why?
Because I'm not going down that hole.
You already went down that hole.
No. We're not talking about... Never mind.
What are we talking about, baby?
Nothing,
Why?
babe. We're talking about holes. Very select, fiery holes, okay? And I'm not going to that subject right now.
Why, 'cause you're turning red?
Some might say it's because that's how the wife got pregnant. Oh, I'm terrible. I'm not touching that anymore.
Over you.
is so beautiful. No? You know you're vibrating a lot. Okay. So the whole reason why I put the engine oil in is so that way my engine oil will actually stay consistent and not drop on me, which means I would drop a valve or other things too. So that's why I always fill up the engine oil filter before I screw it on. Unless it's sideways, then you kind of have no choice not to put that on there. But yeah, she's good to go. Thanks for tuning in.